folic acid and neural tube closure defects. The neural tube closes by day 27 in the human. So by the time the woman realizes that she's missed a period for 2 weeks, already the neural tube has closed. So are you proposing supplementation of folic acid before pregnancy? Or?
Absolutely, that's the program. In many countries, and even in Europe, in the British population, they do not have the program working. Of course, the medical association has insisted in that, and there was some years ago an editorial in The Lancet that say not supplying folic acid to the population is a classic medical malpractice, and that is true. The program, what it does is, okay, you will fortify common consume food that everybody consumes, like bread. Bread is very important. The flour can be fortified with folic acid, with the right amount of folic acid. And that's what most people do. Rice can do it. In Chile, it is flour and rice, and also in Costa Rica, and in the States, it's many other things. And that will reach to everybody, and especially to those women in yes, exactly. And then there is no problem with it, and that works. If you tell them, like in Europe and in other countries also say that, okay, you made TV, cartoons, take folic acid, mostly for the companies that prepare that, that doesn't work, because what you said is right. The other problem for our countries, and I will tell again the numbers I know from Venezuela, but they are not too different from other countries of the region. The pregnancy of adolescents, girls, is in the order of 30 to 33% in that population. It's extremely high. Girls, 15 years old, 17 years old pregnancy, and in the study that I did in 2016, most of the malformation that we had came from people, from girls below 20 years age. And if you sum up the general nutritional deficiency, that is
one of the great triumphs of public health has been the identification of populations in China that had an incidence over 1 in 100 cases of spina bifida, and it was this folic acid deficiency. So it was by the public health people that this was discovered.
Yeah.
So we should be very grateful to them, I think.
Absolutely. I don't know what the incidence would be in China, because it's very high, probably, yes. And the problem is that there are many others that are mainly cognitive problems in the develop, and they will not be counted at birth. So all those numbers really underappreciate the real incidence of that. That's a public health problem. Yes.
Okay. If there is no more question, let's thank again for the nice talk.